Hello and welcome to the 6th Wall Reinforcement Getting Started video. In this session, we will guide you through the process of creating reinforcement at T-type connections. This functionality includes features that automatically place selected rebar shapes at T-shaped wall joints with a 90-degree connection. Several choices of rebar shapes are available to define reinforcement for different situations. Let's place a new item. Opting for bar 2 will result in the extension of both internal and external rebars within the chosen wall, stopping at a specified distance from the further face of the connected wall. Parameters like rebar size and spacing are configured in the settings for external and internal reinforcement. Choosing bar 3 or 4 enables you to incorporate U or L-shaped rebars with specified distances from various wall faces. Bar 3 will be positioned at the end of the connected wall, while bar 4 will be placed either at the external or internal faces of the wall. Each distinct bar shape requires the configuration of parameters to define rebar size, such as covers from various faces and length, as illustrated in the explanatory images. When selecting Layout rule, you choose a vertical rule for selected rebar shape. For an explanation of the Layout rule, please refer to Tutorial 5, where we delved into the aspects related to the L-corner reinforcement layout rule. In the next tutorial, we will discuss additional reinforcement. I hope you enjoyed this Wall Reinforcement Getting Started video. Thank you for watching. Till the next time.